every board that coming out of the factory, they have a little tab of glue here that makes sure this antenna does not get loose over time. So I recommend that you find the antenna on this side, which is sticked to the box on this side here. You can just use a tweezer or anything that's sharp. You can pick a corner up and lift it up like this. Use your fingers. And you can find something that's not sticky. For example, something like this, and you can stick it up here and reuse it later. Or if you damaged the antenna when you lift it off the box, you can let me show you another method here. So is that if this part of the antenna breaks, you can also just take a closer look here. You can just use the tweezers to clean away the glue. And you shove this tweezer down there and lift it up like so. Hold it with one hand and lift it up with the other hand. It's gonna take a little bit force, but as you can see, you can easily remove it. And once it's removed, you can easily pick those glue away because they are very plasticky. They are not like a super glue. They're just this kind of black gooey thing which you can remove easily, and you can reuse the antenna later. But of course, with each of the shipment, if you have to open up the front box, we will send you a backup antenna. If you break this one, no worries, we have new ones for you. So how to install this antenna? First of all, we have to make sure that the inside of this antenna is very clean. There is no residue of glue here. You just have to clean it with a pin carefully. And we aim for the port here that is on the BT module here. And first of all, we aim it. This is how we aim it. Yes. There. Yeah. So first of all, we flip it over to make sure it's super clean. No residue of glue is in it. And we flip it facing downwards. And we put it over to this socket here. And we use a tweezer. Sorry, I'm not trying to get into the view of the camera. But as you can see, you just have to align it and observe. Take some skill, but once you got it in, you're gonna hear a click. And you can take a look at the side of it to make sure that it's installed. Once this thing is installed, you can pull the cable left and right to make sure. If it's correctly installed, you can move this cable left and right. This antenna will not come out of the socket. If you move this cable left and right, the cable lifts up or does not stay in the right position. You have to lift up the antenna to redo this process because you might have missed the alignment of it. So a correctly installed antenna looks like this. Zoom in a little bit, please. Yeah. And on this side, take a closer look at this side as well. Let me put the cables here so you can see a correctly installed antenna can withstand you to pull it left and right like this. Yeah, that's how you install the antenna. And once you're done with it, If you have some glue here, you can put a dab of glue here just to make sure it does not come out. So this Bluetooth module does not have the internal antenna, so it does require an external antenna like this to work. So if you do not install this antenna correctly, you're soon gonna notice that if you close up the lid, you will not have any Bluetooth signal. But if you do it correctly, you can how do you tell is that you flip the lid over like this inside the box, and you move this box away from you for like 1 meter. If you still have the Bluetooth signal and it is displaying numbers, like you can go to the IMU page and you can observe if the numbers are moving quickly, that means you have a really good connection. If the numbers move very slowly or it doesn't move at all, that means your Bluetooth antenna is not installed correctly. And that's how you know. Okay.